Everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I have an unstuffing, a very quick unstuffing, and then a condensing with whatever money I have on my tray that I can use to condense. But I just have 4 things that I need to take back to the bank because I already spent the money, or it's going to be coming out of my account soon. So yeah, I'm just going to take this stuff out of the envelopes I need to take it out of, and then I will use this money to condense. So first thing, I'm going to first start off with my subscription. So I have a subscriptions envelope here, and I have 4 annual subscriptions currently, and the first one for this year is renewing this week. Yeah, this week. I think it's the 27th. So I want to get this money in the bank so that way when the payment comes out, it's already there and it's paid for. So this is going to be my Canva subscription, and that is, it's $119.99, so I'm pulling $120 for this. So $120. Okay, $120, and that leaves me with $205 for my next subscription. It's today. Today is the 25th. Okay. So when is my next subscription? Let me check. Okay, so my next subscription, I have this little list here. April, I have HBO, which last time was $136. I already have enough to pay for that. And then the next one won't be, after that one will be in June. And I'll be saving, I save every week for this, so looks like I'm good. I'm on track for those, so that's good. Okay, so that'll pay for that. The next one in April, that one's good. Let me put this back. Kind of sort of where it goes. Okay, just put it here for now. All right, so that one is done. 120. Done. Okay, next, gift money, which is not in here. I think it's in here. Yes, gifts. Okay, so my sister bought the gift that we gave my mom for her birthday. We got her an air fryer, really nice glass one. I actually have it. It's a Ninja one. It's really, really good. So we got her the air fryer in like different containers with it. So it was about $200. So we went half and half on that with for that gift. So I'm gonna pull $100. I also bought her some stuff while we were celebrating her birthday. So I got her some other things, but this is the money that I Venmo'd or Zelled to my sister. So I need 100. I have 116. So 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. I'll just do this. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100. All right, so that's all going back because I already paid her for that, and I'm left with $16 in gifts. So 100 is 16. That one's done. And I like to check off and then highlight. All right, so next is family. I need 20, which I have 30, so I'll pull this 20 out. I'm left with 10. So minus 20 is 10. Okay, that one's done. And I just have one more, which I hopefully will be able to unstuff without any issues. Okay. Oops, I did the wrong one. Okay, sorry. Pretend like I didn't do that. I checked off the wrong one. So the last one is cookies, or cookies, spending. Okay, so I bought cookies. That's why it says cookies. So my sister got me cookies out in where she lives, because I live in San Diego. She lives in like the LA County area. And for whatever reason, the Girl Scout cookies are different here than they are over there. I really wanted Samoas, so I needed my sister to get them for me, which she did. Super grateful for that. And so I owe her, I had some money. I already had some set aside for this, so I just owe her $12. So I'm going to take 10 out of spending, and I'm going to take 2 out of buffer. So that's $12 that I need to give her. So that's going towards the cookies. Yeah, I got some Samoas. I love the Samoas. The Thin Mints, of course. The Thin Mints are different over there too. The Thin Mints are different here compared to there. So I definitely wanted to get the ones that I'm used to. And then I got some Toffee-tastic ones. Super yummy. But yeah, I got my Girl Scout cookies for the year. Okay, so that should be everything that I need from my envelopes. I'm gonna double check. I should have 252 over here. So I have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 52. Perfect. All right, so now that that's correct, I can move on to condensing. Oh, and I wanted to mention, because I know if you watch my videos, these unstuffing videos, I always unstuff for coffee. I gave it up. Well, no, I didn't give up coffee. Scratch that. I gave up going to Starbucks for 40 days for Lent. And I just wanted to challenge myself to that, because going to Starbucks is very easy for me to do because it's literally right across the street from me. Like, I can walk to it from where I live. And also at work, we like to go to Starbucks a lot. And somebody else, like my coworker, goes to pick it up, so that makes it even easier. Just place an order, it gets picked up for me. So I'm challenging myself to not order Starbucks for 40 days, which I've been pretty good on. I can still drink coffee. I could still go and get like Dunkin' Donuts coffee, or like go to a little shop. Oh, they have Better Buzz out here, is really, really good. But they're not close to me. Like, I have to go out of my way to go. So I haven't had an iced coffee in a week. So, which for me, that's a long time. I always have iced coffee. I love iced coffee. So yeah, that's why I'm not unstuffing anything from coffee at all. I haven't used any of this money. I still have $30 in here. I think while I'm doing this little challenge for myself, I'm going to use this money for just like other kind of drinks. There's a boba place that I like that's not nearby, or else I would go to it more often, but it's closer than the coffee shops that I was talking about. So I'll probably get some boba with this money instead. So that's probably how I'm gonna use this money. I still want a little sweet drink, a little treat, so I might be doing that, but I haven't been spending that, so that's why I don't. Usually I unstuff coffee money every week, and this will be my first week where I don't have anything to unstuff. So I just wanted to explain that, because some people might question it. You didn't unstuff your coffee. That's why. All right, so I'm gonna use this money now to condense, because I do have 120s. We'll see what I can condense with this. So we're just gonna go, you know what, I'm just gonna go down the line. Whichever one needs it first is gonna get the 100. All right, so I have auto, which has 338. Oh yeah, see, this one needs it. And a 20 here. All right, so I think that's good. So I have 1, 2, 3, 20, 330, 35, 36, 37, 38, 338 in auto. Electronics, I could do a 50 here. So that's 105. Emergency, I can do a 50 here. Okay, so that's 125, 26, 27, 28, 128. But I have 3,000 already in savings, so that's 3,128. Extra savings, I could do a 20. So that's 50, 70, 80. Furniture, 10. 120 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 158 in furniture. Month ahead, 20. Oops. All right, so, and what am I on? Month ahead? Yeah, month ahead. 100, 220, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 229. But in savings, I have 2,000. So 2,229. Rainy day. I could do a 20. Okay, so that's 60. Rainy day. Move these up. Okay, that one's fully fun, or that one's good. Road trip has 15, so that one's good. Scentsy, I can do a 20. So that's 20, 25, 26, 27, 28 in Scentsy. Right. Subscriptions, I think I already condensed that one. And then travel is good. All right, so that's it for the black binder. Go pink one next. All right, Go Wild has I could do a 10. So 1, 2, 350, 70, 90, 405, 6. 406. Plus I have 500 already in savings. That's 906 for Go Wild. Disneyland has 25. That one's good. Tires. I could do a 20. So that has 150, 70, 75, 76. 176. Treat yourself. I can do a 20. So that's 150, 70, 71, 72, 73. 173 plus the 500 already back in the bank, which is 673. Fun. I can do a 20. So that's 41 and fun. Hobbies, a 20. My last 20, so 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 in hobbies. All right, Christmas, maybe some 10s. No, that one's good. Holiday decor, a 10. So that's 50, 60, 70, 80. All right. That's it for that binder. Next one. Oh, and I have some in my wallet. I can't forget about the ones in my wallet. So clothing, a 10. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 102 in clothing. I'm super tempted to buy some shoes, but I'm trying to resist buying shoes. I always buy shoes and that'll eat up my whole budget. I should really buy clothes. But clothing for me is anything that I wear. So it could be like a hat. It could be, yeah, any kind of apparel, basically. Shoes, socks, that kind of stuff. Costco. Oh, definitely could condense this. I've got a bunch of ones. All right, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So that is in Costco 20, 35, 36, 37, 38. 38. Okay, that one's good. Gifts, I think, yeah, that one's good. Home, I could do another 10 here. All right, so home has 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 91. Home. Pantry's good. All right, and then next, oh, the ones in my binder. Or in my wallet. Got some in here. Let's see, Target. That one's good. That only has 15. Household has nothing. I need to update my tracker. And then this one, it says 95. I don't think I've spent anything from here yet, no. Okay, so I'm gonna do a 10 here. I plan on going to Ulta later to get some nail stuff. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 95. And like some face stuff. A couple things. But I haven't done it yet. Okay, so that's it. All right, that's all the condensing I could do. So let's make sure I still have 252 over here. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 91, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. That's 150. 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 200, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 52, 152. All right, so 252, that is correct. That's all going back into the bank. And that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed watching as I unstuffed and condensed my envelopes. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.